Did you know the amazing benefits of consuming olives every day? Olives, these tiny yet powerful fruits, have been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries. Their unique blend of taste and nutrition makes them a prized ingredient in cuisines worldwide. But beyond their culinary uses, olives pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. From heart health to bone strength, these small fruits are teeming with potential. So, are you curious yet? Stay tuned as we delve into the 16 benefits of consuming olives. Starting with the first 4 benefits of olives. First up, let's talk about cardiovascular health. Olives are rich in heart-healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. They help to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol, contributing to a healthier heart. Next, we have the cognitive function. The antioxidants in olives can protect your brain cells from damage, potentially lowering the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. They also aid in boosting memory and concentration. Moving on to weight management, olives are a great source of dietary fiber and healthy fats, making you feel fuller for longer, which can help manage your weight. Lastly, let's talk about bone health. Olives contain several key nutrients, including calcium and vitamin K, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. But that's not all. There's more to olives than just these benefits. Scene script. Next, let's explore some more health benefits of olives. First off, olives are great for your skin. They're packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, which can help to hydrate your skin and keep it looking youthful and vibrant. So, don't be surprised if you start glowing after adding olives to your diet. But it's not just your skin that benefits. Olives can also do wonders for your digestive health. They're a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and can help to keep your gut healthy. Now let's talk about eye health. Olives contain vitamin A, which is known for its role in maintaining good vision. Regular consumption of olives could potentially help to protect your eyes from age-related conditions like macular degeneration. Finally, studies have suggested that the antioxidants in olives may help to prevent certain types of cancers. While research is ongoing, it's promising to see the potential cancer-fighting properties of this small but mighty fruit. As you can see, olives are truly a superfood. Moving on to the next set of benefits. Did you know that olives are a powerhouse in reducing inflammation? Yes, indeed. These small fruits are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds, like oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen. So next time you're dealing with aches and pains, reach out for a handful of olives. Another remarkable benefit of olives is their ability to boost our immunity. They're a rich source of antioxidants, which helps our bodies fend off harmful bacteria and viruses. It's like having a little army in your system, always ready to protect you. Now, if you're someone dealing with diabetes, olives can be a great help. They have a low glycemic index, which means they don't spike your blood sugar levels. This makes them a safe and beneficial addition to a diabetic diet. Last but not least, olives provide essential nutrients. They're a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin E, and healthy fats, all in one bite. And we still have more benefits to cover. Finally, the last 4 benefits of consuming olives. First up, for those with allergies, olives could be the key to relief. They contain certain compounds that can help reduce allergic reactions. So, next allergy season, consider adding olives to your diet. Next, let's talk about pain relief. Olives are packed with oleocanthal, a substance known for its anti-inflammatory properties, similar to ibuprofen. A handful of olives might just help soothe that headache or muscle ache. Moving on to the world of cholesterol, olives promote the good kind, known as HDL cholesterol. They help increase HDL levels while keeping the bad LDL cholesterol in check, helping to maintain a balanced and healthy cardiovascular system. Lastly, olives might just give your fertility a boost. They're rich in vitamin E, which is known to enhance fertility in both men and women. These are the 16 benefits of consuming olives every day. Now let's quickly recap the benefits we've covered today. Firstly, olives are a powerhouse of antioxidants. fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. They also boost heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Next, they're great for your skin and hair, thanks to their vitamin E content. Plus, olives help maintain a healthy weight by keeping you feeling full for longer. On to the fifth benefit, olives are known to improve eye health thanks to their vitamin A. They also help in strengthening the immune system, keeping you healthy and robust. Seventh, they support good bone health, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. And eighth, olives aid digestion, keeping your gut in optimum health. Moving forward, olives are a great source of iron, helping combat anemia. They also improve brain function thanks to their healthy fats. 11th, they help control blood pressure, promoting overall heart health. And 12th, they can reduce the risk of certain cancers thanks to their antioxidants. As we near the end, remember that olives can help manage diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. They also support good mental health thanks to their omega-3 fatty acids. 15th, they can alleviate allergies, providing relief for many. And finally, olives can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Remember, a few olives a day can keep the doctor away. Now that you know why olives are so beneficial, it's time to include them in your diet. Olives are versatile and can be incorporated into meals in a myriad of ways. They can be a perfect addition to your salads, adding a tangy flavor and a delightful crunch. Or you can toss them into your pasta for an extra layer of taste. They're also great as pizza toppings or in your sandwiches. And let's not forget, olives can be transformed into a delicious tapenade or olive oil. In fact, the possibilities are endless. You're only limited by your own culinary imagination, and that's where the fun begins. We encourage you to get creative with olives, experiment with different recipes, play around with flavors, and discover new ways to enjoy this superfood. As you embark on this olive journey, don't forget to share your favorite olive recipes in the comments. We're excited to see what you come up with. So, go ahead and give olives a try. Your body will thank you.